A blessing in disguise. Something bad that turns out good. A blessing in disguise. Losing my job was a blessing in disguise. Break the ice. Start a conversation. Break the ice. He broke the ice with joke. Hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right. Hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. Bite the bullet. Face something difficult. Bite the bullet. I have to bite the bullet and finish my homework. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal the secret. Let the cat out of the bag. She let the cat out of the bag. Burn the midnight oil. Work late. Burn the midnight oil. I burned the midnight oil last night. Piece of cake. Very easy. Piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Under the weather. I am feeling under the weather today. Cry over spilled milk. Upset about something you can't change. Cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. On cloud nine. Very happy. On cloud nine. I am on cloud nine after getting job. Fit as a fiddle. Healthy and strong. Fit as a fiddle. My grandmother is 80 but she is fit as a fiddle. Blow off steam. To release stress. Blow off steam. I went for a walk to blow off steam. Hit the sack. Go to bed. Hit the sack. I am hitting the sack now. Keep an eye on. Watch carefully. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on the kids. Cold feet. Feeling nervous. Cold feet. She got cold feet before the speech. All ears. Fully listening. All ears. I'm all ears, go ahead. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.